Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Just a short one this week. Just thought I'd let you know how our first tow went in the new tow car. Hi, we are at Clifton Farms CL, which is just the other side of Preston, up near the Forest of Dean. And as you can see, there's no one else here. But I don't blame them because it's absolutely freezing. But this video is about our tow car. Now this is the first time we've taken it out with the van on the back because we've only just got it and only just had the tow bar fitted. And I'll tell you a bit about the car. It's a petrol, it's a turbocharged 1600, that's all, and it has a towing capacity of 1650, which we have a Bailey Pegasus, which I can't remember exactly, I haven't looked at the plate, but it's 1400 and something. MT, PLM or whatever. So it's excuse me, in range of what this thing can tow. I didn't know what the performance would be like, but I was pleasantly surprised. Pickup was good from standing stop. Response was good. If you're going down the road, you put your foot down, you can actually feel it pick up. I find it a lot more planted as well on the road. It drives better, it handles better, it tows better than our previous car, which was the MG. Don't know about the mileage yet. We averaged up here, I think, about 23 miles to the gallon, but most of that was on back roads and through towns and through Preston. So out on the open road, hopefully we'll get a bit more. We are planning a trip down to Cornwall. If anyone follows the channel, probably know where we're going, in June. So hopefully we'll have a better outlook on the car then, because we've got some really steep hills to get up, and we'll see what the mileage is like. But all in all, I am very happy with the car. Depending on the size of your van, you might need a bigger engine than the 1600, but I would definitely go for another Kia Sportage in the future. Lovely car to drive, well planted. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Just a short one this week. Just thought I'd let you know how our first tow in the new tow car went. No, don't like it. Hi, we are at Clifton Farms CL site. It's just the other side of Preston, up near the